Thank you very much, Lee. Because of the storm, a number of schools have already announced that they are going to have delayed openings tomorrow. We are scrolling them at the bottom of the screen.
Meanwhile, state of emergency taking effect just a few moments ago, 5 p.m. in the state of New Jersey. The biggest worries there, rivers overflowing their banks again, especially in communities that were underwater just before Christmas.
Eyewitness News reporter CeFaan Kim is in Paterson with that part of our coverage. CeFaan?
Well, Sandra and Bill, that is the Passaic River right there. It is gearing up to make another appearance. When it floods out here, this river flows over this bridge. Officials say it may not crest for another day or two, but they're asking you, if you live in a flood-prone zone, to get out now while you still can. The guys at Suburban Forklift in Paterson are as gritty and hard-working as they get. Their shop right next to the Passaic River, and with a major storm heading their way, with officials urging everyone in areas like this to evacuate, they say they aren't going anywhere. As long as they can physically get to work, they'll be open this week. Even their kitty is no scaredy cat.
Just another day.
Sure.
You know, yeah. Is there any other choice?
No, there isn't.
Not really, right? We gotta work.
And it's not like they haven't been hit hard before.
You always worry about it. You always worry about it. Just we had about 2 feet in one time a couple of years ago. Oh, it kills you. Especially all the parts and everything get wet.
The city of Paterson, of course, is no stranger to flooding. Those swift boats making water rescues in the last storm will be out there again. Newscopter 7 weeks ago, capturing first responders evacuating a resident in need of dialysis. There are also some lessons learned from the last storm. The mayor declaring a state of emergency in the city starting at 5 p.m.
The difference we're doing this week, we are going to start off with flash flood warning immediately. At 2 o'clock, we issue a flash flood warning and we'll close certain streets right away.
What's different than last time, in between that storm and this one, we created a fund for the families that were victims of the flood.
Meanwhile, Governor Murphy calling into mornings at 10 this morning on Eyewitness News, urging residents to take this storm seriously.
And it's an unusual storm. We've been on talking about storms over the past 6+ years in my time as governor, but I think this is the first time we've ever spoken about a rain event in January. But this is a lot of rain, up to 4 inches.
Now, also this time around, the city of Paterson is opening up a shelter in the city for displaced residents. They're also urging motorists not to be tempted to drive into those flooded streets. Potential dangers in that water could be a downed live power line.